Write a short note on employer's liability to report fatal accidents. The provision relating to employer's liability to report fatal accidents is contained in Section 10B of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. This section imposes a duty upon employers to report fatal accidents and serious bodily injuries occurring during employment. According to Section 10B of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, whenever the death of a workman or a serious bodily injury occurs due to an accident on the employer's premises, the employer must send a report to the commissioner within 7 days of the accident. The report should contain details regarding the accident, the injury or death of the workman, and other necessary particulars required under the law. If under any other law or rules the employer is already required to send notice of the accident to another authority, then the employer may send the report to that authority instead of separately sending it to the commissioner. However, this provision does not apply to factories or establishments to which the Employees State Insurance Act 1948 applies. Purpose of the provision. The object of this provision is to ensure timely reporting of fatal accidents, to help authorities conduct proper inquiry, and to protect the rights of injured workmen and their dependents. Illustration. Suppose a worker dies due to a machine accident in a factory. The employer must report the accident to the commissioner within 7 days as required under Section 10B of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. Conclusion. Thus, Section 10B of the Employees Compensation Act 1923 places a legal duty upon employers to report fatal accidents and serious injuries promptly so that compensation proceedings and legal action may be properly initiated.